My name is Souzana and welcome to Love Belly Dance, my fundamental Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm here to teach you the basic Balady step. This is a very versatile step. We're going to start with just the footwork and then I'll give you examples of how you can layer this move, the footwork, to create all sorts of other moves. So you're going to start with 3 steps and a pause, and that's our transition. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see. I'm going to start with my right foot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to step in back, 1, step in place, 2, step in back, 3, bring the left foot around, step in back, in place, step back, bring the right foot around, 1, 2, 3, step back. And what you're going to notice is that my body is angled corner to corner with this. It's a really great way to view the step. So as I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to the corner of my dance box. So here's my front of my dance box, the side, the back. So I'm going corner to corner of my dance box. Okay, so I'm going to turn around again so you can see. We're going to start with the right foot stepping behind. So here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the 4th count is still there. It's just I'm using that 4th count. Transition, bring my foot around, and start on the other side, okay? So actually when we get this sped up to tempo, it's usually counted 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let me show you that. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now what did you notice about my knees? You notice that my knees remained soft.